Hey, hello everyone, this is Diana Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you my top 5 best affiliate programs in 2019. If this is the very first time joining my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to share with you my top 5 best affiliate program in 2019. Number 5, it is Amazon. Everybody knows it, everybody loves it. It's really easy and really simple to shop around Amazon, and that's why it's my fifth recommendation. And it's in the number 5 spot because they do have tons of products and it's really easy to join the affiliate program. But one of the things that you need to have into consideration is that the margins that you're going to make aren't that good. Okay, let's say that you're going to be selling, in total $100, you might be making between $5 to $10. So it's not that excited. Taking into consideration all the effort that you need to put in if you want to do a sale with Amazon. Okay, so this is something that you need to take into consideration. But again, it is really easy, really simple to jump in to Amazon and start, making sales. Number 4, actually, there are 2 pages in the 4th spot, which is ClickBank and JVZoo. Why did I put it both of them together? It's because you can find digital products on JVZoo and ClickBank. I know for a lot of people this is huge, but actually for me isn't not that great. Although the margins are better than on Amazon, considering the fact that you're gonna get a lot of digital products, so the companies don't need to ship and deliver and handle that kind of things because everything is digital. The margins are greater, okay, but you need to be really careful of what you're going to be promoting with JVZoo and ClickBank because there is a lot of products that aren't that good. The quality can sometimes they can be that great, so you need to actually do a quick research about what you're going to be offering. Okay, number 3, one of the tools that I love and I talk about here on my YouTube channel, which is actually Builderall. Okay, if you're serious about making money online, this is a tool that you actually need. It's an all-in-one marketing solution. You're gonna have a funnel builder, you're gonna have email marketing software, you're gonna do designs, you can do videos, you are even gonna be able to do webinars on Builderall. Why do I love Builderall? Because the platform, it's great, and the compensation plan right now, it is amazing. To put into perspective, if you invite someone to join Builderall, they are gonna be able, actually you're gonna be making 100% of the commission, which is actually great. Okay, so the commissions are gonna be $30 or more depending on the price that the person is going to choose. By the way, if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave a link below so you can check out about Builderall, about Amazon, and about ClickFunnels and JVZoo, so you don't need to be searching around. And if you want to test out Builderall, I'm going to leave a link below as well so you can test it out for 7 days for free, and also you can check out the bonuses that I'm offering. Again, as I mentioned before, if you're really serious about making money online, this is a software that you actually need because you're going to be able to create your websites, you're going to be able to create your sales funnels, do email marketing, designs, videos, webinars, etc. So a lot of people are going to use it. The next one, it's going to be Aweber. Why do I suggest Aweber? Aweber, it's my favorite email marketing platform. Maybe you're going to be wondering like, wow, Diana, you told me before that Builderall has everything included. Yes, it do have everything included, but I started, my online journey before Builderall was, into the map. So that's why I still use and still recommending Aweber. It is actually great. You can start it to test it out for free, but if you decide to partner and be an affiliate marketer, you are going to be making 30% commission on every single month. Okay, it doesn't matter if the customer is going to stay for a month or is going to stay for 10 years. You're going to be getting recurring commissions every single month. The same is going to happen with begyndere. You're going to be getting recurring commissions every single month. So that's why I suggest Aweber. The other thing is that it's a software that I use, as begyndere is a software as I use, so I know how to handle it. I know they do both have great supports, and again, the affiliate marketing program, it's amazing. And number one, my top recommendation, the best affiliate program for me right now, it's called Legendary Marketer. If you want to check it out, remember that I'm gonna leave a link below so you can be part of Legendary Marketer. Why did I suggest Legendary Marketer? Okay, tools are amazing. Don't get me wrong, we all need them, but we also need education. And most of the time, whenever we want to make money online, we forget that we need education. And I don't mean like you being, jumping from one YouTube channel to the other, from one blog to the other. That's great, but okay, sometimes we need a guideline, sometimes we need to have an advisor, sometimes we need to have everything in order so we can, reach success, whatever. I don't know what really success means to you, to make your first dollar online, to make your first $1,000, $10,000, to be earning $5,000 every single month, to reach six figures. Everybody have a different definition of success, but if you want to reach that point faster, you need to have education, you need to have support, you need to have help. And this is something that legendary marketers provide. The very first thing that you're going to find out is this challenge. It's a 15-day challenge that is going to change your mindset. It's going to show you the tools that you need. It's going to show you what funnels do you need to build if you really want to crush it with affiliate marketing. So that's why I'm suggesting legendary marketer. Also, it do have a great compensation plan in which you're going to be making, $30 per month or even more, because they do have high-end ticket commissions. And I'm not gonna lie to you, if you really want to make money online, I mean an income that is gonna change your life, you're gonna reach it way easier if you are selling high-end ticket products. And the coolest thing about legendary marketer is that you are actually not doing sales. Okay, you are not going to be doing sales. You're going to be driving traffic to the system, and the system is going to do the sales for you. Okay, so this is why this is my top recommendation, because the income that you can make here, it can be a game changer. And if you are like, well, Diana, to be honest, I really don't need this because I can go from YouTube and I can browse around, that's okay. Yes, I'm not gonna lie to you, you can definitely do so. But again, if the information is gonna be deorganized, if you need an advisor, a coach, no one is gonna be really there for you. So my suggestion is to jump into Legendary Marketer. This is my top recommendation. You are gonna learn everything that you need. Okay, you can promote legendary marketer itself, or you can use this knowledge as I am doing, not only to promote legendary marketer but to promote other products. Okay, because knowledge is power. Okay, so again, these were my top 5 recommendations. If you want to browse around, I'm gonna leave a link below. You can check it out. If you have some comments, if you have some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, if you decide to partner with me in one of my business opportunity, welcome. I gonna really appreciate that, and you're gonna get my full support. Okay, this is it for this video. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.